Hello and welcome to today's meditation. Today we're going to focus on moving out the old and bringing in new and refreshed energy. And I am trying to figure out if this is crossing over, so bear with me a second. All right, I don't know if this is crossing over, and if it's not, don't worry about it. I'll be a little bit late and just bounce up this recording. I apologize. So, I love this meditation. It's an opportunity to just bring in the strength that clears you. And it's like scrubbing bubbles. We're going to vibrate our whole system and move out any old stuck energy. And then we're going to invite in the new pure energy. So it's not just running through and going in with occasional breaks at things that we let go. We're going to shake up our system and let go of as much as possible. Okay, we start with the Lord's Prayer, the prayer of protection. We will go into the meditation. There may be some silent part. I'm not sure what they have in mind. I just kind of go with what they're telling me. But if there is, we will end it with a chime so as not to jolt you out. And as we pull ourselves together, we close with the 23rd Psalm. So let's get started. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, and begin to relax. Take another deep breath. And invite yourself to let go, relax, scan your body, notice if there is any tightness with discomfort. And if there is, bring your attention to it and invite it to let go. If your mind is busy, you can't seem to quiet it, just notice what you're saying and invite it to let go, knowing you can pick all this up again after this short meditation. Now let's imagine there is this huge, giant wall of light above us. It's like covering everything you can see if you look up. This pure white energy. And even though it's so bright, you can notice it's vibrating. And it's coming closer to your head. As it comes and touches the very top of your head, you feel vibration. It feels good. It feels like you're being cleansed. As this wall moves down over your eyes, vibrating, releasing past your lips and down to your chin. You might feel a slight rocking motion or twirling. Just allow these feelings to be. This is the energy breaking loose. The wall moves gently into your throat, really vibrating slowly past the center of your throat. You allow yourself to surrender to this beautiful divine vibration into the bottom of your throat. Loving the feeling as it moves onto the top of your shoulders, going straight across now so it's vibrating your shoulders, your collarbone, as it moves into your chest area. It is also affecting your biceps. Accepting this, appreciating this, knowing you are being cleansed down to your waist and your elbows as it gently moves through your system, vibrating, rocking, moving you into your hips, your butt, your thighs, all being done at the same time. Feel that vibration. Feel it as cleansing and loving you as it moves through the rest of your top of your legs and thighs and your knees. Down the bottom portion of your legs, your shins, your ankles, now your feet. You have been completely cleansed. You are truly an empty vessel waiting to be filled. And look above you. It's a beautiful drop, a single drop of perfect gold and other colors mixed through. It is a very large drop. It has everything you need. And it's slowly coming down towards you, almost like a raindrop. It hits the top of your head. Now feel the tingling and the calming as the colors that came with that drop for you, that each carry a portion that the divine knows you need, begins to fill your face and your head, your neck and your shoulders, arms, trunk, seat, legs, and feet. You've just been completely filled perfectly, scrubbed clean, absolutely perfect, totally brought into this new day, a new being. For the next moment, we will sit in silence and gratitude for this opportunity to fully begin again. And as we bring our attention fully back into our being, bringing ourselves to the present moment, knowing we are fully renewed, fully restored to perfection, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me besides the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. If this did not feed live, I'm sorry, guys. Zoom and Facebook are not communicating well together for the last week, and we're trying everything possible to make it work. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a blessed day.